Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase or reduce the size of icons on your Windows computer or of your laptop. Now, there are two methods we are going to use to increase or reduce the image icon size on our desktop. My name is Isaac and welcome to A Minute with AI. Now, let's get with the first method. Now, in our first method, I have several icons, I have several applications and folders on my Windows computer. But the problem is they are too tiny, I can't even see them or read them from a distance. So the easy way to enlarge these icons is Control button and then use the scroll wheel on your mouse. When you push it forward, you will see the image icons or the icons on your computer will start to increase in size. So if you don't want the standard size, as you can see it here, you can further increase them beyond this by continuing to scroll the wheel. Now you can see the image are even larger and larger. But should you find this is uncomfortable, you can as well now go ahead and reduce them by pressing down the Control key on your keyboard and then move the mouse wheel backward. And here we go, they are back to the standard size. Now that was the first method we can use. Now in the second method, to restore our computer icons to normal size, what you only need to do is to right click on an empty space on your desktop, and then click on View. And from here, you will see various icon size that you can use. Currently, it is set to small. You can either choose to medium. Alternatively, you can choose large and you will see large icons on your computer. If this doesn't give you the perfect size that you need, you can still go ahead and customize it with the control and mouse scroll to the standard that you wish. So you can use either of the two methods or a combination of both. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.